Top 5 Cordless Drill. Number 5. Milwaukee Cordless Drill. The Milwaukee 18-volt lithium-ion cordless drill and driver kit combines power and efficiency. Its brushless motor ensures longer runtime and increased durability. With a compact design, it's ideal for tight spaces. The half-inch chuck provides versatility for a wide range of applications. Powered by an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, it offers reliable performance. The kit includes everything needed for immediate use, making it convenient for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Whether for drilling or driving tasks, this Milwaukee drill and driver kit delivers superior performance and ease of use. Number 4. Makita Cordless Drill. The Makita FD09R1 cordless 3x8-inch driver drill kit offers versatility with its variable 2-speed design, 0 to 450 RPM, or 0 to 1700 RPM, covering a wide range of drilling and driving applications. Its Makita-built motor delivers 250 inch-pounds of maximum torque for efficient performance. The ergonomically designed handle with rubberized soft grip enhances comfort during prolonged use. With a compact and ergonomic design at only 7 inches long, it's easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Additionally, the 12-volt maximum CXT slide battery design allows the tool to stand on its own for user convenience. It's a reliable and efficient solution for various tasks. Number 3. BLACKDECKER Cordless Drill. The BLACKDECKER 20-volt Maximum Power Connect cordless drill kit comes with a versatile 100-piece set, offering a range of bits and accessories for drilling and driving tasks. Its compact and lightweight design makes it suitable for various applications. With a 24-position clutch, it prevents stripping and overdriving screws, ensuring added control. The soft grip handle enhances comfort during use, while the Power Connect battery system allows interchangeability with other tools. Plus, the included storage case keeps the drill and accessories organized in one place for convenience. It's a comprehensive and practical solution for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 2. WORKPRO Cordless Drill Driver Set. The WORKPRO Cordless Drill Driver Set is not only a practical tool but also supports breast cancer awareness through a partnership with the National Breast Cancer Foundation Incorporated. It's super safe, lightweight, and ergonomic, weighing only 1.8 pounds, designed for ease of use in tight spaces. It features a trigger-activated LED light for added safety in dark areas. With a 3x8-inch keyless chuck and forward-reverse control, it offers versatility for various projects. The 18+1 clutch settings prevent over-tightening, while the 2-speed settings 0 to 400 RPM or 0 to 1500 RPM ensure optimal power. Ideal for DIY projects, it's a thoughtful gift for loved ones. Remember to recharge periodically for prolonged battery life. Number 1. DEWALT Cordless Drill. The DEWALT 20-volt Maximum Cordless Drill offers a compact and lightweight design, perfect for tight spaces. With 2-speed 0 to 450 RPM and 1500 RPM, it's ideal for various fastening and drilling tasks. The half-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck ensures secure bit gripping, while the ergonomic handle enhances comfort and control during use. At 6.5 inches in height, it's a convenient and efficient tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Thanks for watching the video. The links of the products we discuss in this video are provided in the video description. Please check out the video description and find the product links to buy your favorite products. If you think the video is helpful, please like, share and comments the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.